If there's one thing I feel like I know about life, it's that it's beautiful. And there is an entire world right in front of us, full of amazing, beautiful, good, fulfilling, meaningful things. And we have the freedom and the ability to become something amazing, to experience something amazing. Like, out there, right in front of you, there's a world that is so beautiful and so full of amazing things. You have the potential to become beautiful, truly beautiful. And what I mean by that is like the version of yourself that feels like, I don't want to go down this road right now. I feel like I could talk forever about shit. My point is that there is this thing called life, called reality, something that always exists outside of time, and it's just here in the moment. Every single moment is here. And we have the ability to tap into that and to become one with it in a way, and to become just as beautiful as it is, and allow it to work in our lives to create amazing relationships and amazing experiences. And I just wish that more people could see that. I feel like everyone walks around and has no idea the world that they're actually living in. And the world that we actually live in is beautiful. So here's a song by Tyler Childers.